So today we are going to, not really today, but we're going to build our house that we have. Yeah, part 2, no motivation last time, which is bad. But now I have some, so I need to figure out what to put in this lovely house. And I've also changed up the idea of moving to the new house instantly. I was like, they have to spend a couple of days in like the apartment because why not? They just moved here. Spend some freaking time, please. And no, not this TV. And I think it's a great idea for them to stay longer. If all of us like that, if our kitty viewers like that best. Now it's simple days, no offense. Which is kind of sad. But I feel like I should put this as the coffee table. It's aesthetically pleasing, okay? Do not ask. It's just that's all I can say. Aesthetically pleasing. Also, I did wallpapers, and now it's like aesthetically pleasing as well. Yeah, I actually don't know where another bedroom is gonna be. But like, it's a very small house. Okay, don't blame me. I like this, it's very cute. Mamma mia. Goodness gracious. Oh my god. I think you hear way too much of a game. So I'm gonna fix it. I fix it. I think this is pretty much all we need. Don't we? I mean, I agree with that. Cause like we have enough in this room. Why am I even adding curtains? Do not ask. I'm not gonna tell you. Oh, wrong. It's wrong. It's incredibly wrong. Okay, there. I fixed it. Ugh, it still doesn't look good. I'm gonna move it a little bit here. Okay, that bothers me. Let me see. Perfect. This looks perfect. Okay. Next, I don't know what to do this. Study and work area? I mean, that's a pretty good idea. I mean, you cannot make this into anything. I don't know about that. But I'm gonna make this tables. I need tables. This is a good enough table to work in. Like, a mom could have this and it looks so perfect. Like, look, it is so cute. I will agree with that. No one can change my mind. Why did I want to put this computer in? No. What do we even add? I mean, is this even gonna work as a good computer for the mom? No. Figured it out. Haha. This is perfect. Oh, I don't have a mouse. Bruh. Okay. Oh, that's bad. It's not okay. Well, who cares? I'm gonna just get a book. And we're gonna pull out the good old ink that we had in like, I don't know what chapter. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Postcard. It's always the best. Why did I even do that? Wait, does this clothes up as like royal fancy? No. I like that fancy. Yellow side. I feel like I want to call this the yellow side. I agree with calling it the yellow side. I mean, why not? not? This is perfect, yes. Now for the child. I actually don't know. Booty table? I mean, beauty table? No. I actually don't know. This one. This one. This one, right? This one. It's a further back. Ah! What do I do? What do I add? I don't know. No. Oh, no. Wait, what about this? Yeah, this. Wait, I agree with this. I agree. Now we just need a chair. Ah, yes, great. We need this. This. Do we... Okay. No. We're taking this out. We're gonna settle in our new house. Nobody knows that yet. Sorry. What do I even add here? I don't even know. I mean, yeah, that works, right? I need photos. Give me photos. Oh, good. Ah, yes, the good old poster. Oh, don't we love that? Oh, it's awesome. Aesthetic. Now we're gonna create the outside. So I don't know what to add here. Plants? No, we already have enough. Yes, plants. I'm gonna just add like a bit. As if you didn't hear me, I said a bit. So just making sure you heard me. Okay, wait, I wanna put something. Oh wait, grab the items. Where are they? What? How is it? Oh, it's one of those hacks. Yeah, you... Okay, what would it be there? I mean... Yeah. Yes, it's perfect! Wait. Can we actually... I forgot. That's not the bed where it's supposed to be. I wanna... Yeah. Oh no, it doesn't work. No! Okay. What about closets? No. It's okay. Wait. They always go away. I want that. Add the chairs! Okay, so the thing that I was talking about is the trash update. Not the trash. Oh, it's like, what do you... Actually, this is a pretty good idea. Wait, let me open it. Book 1. Of course. Book 2. Obviously, because, like, you cannot live with it. Whatever, let's scatter the books around. So this is actually pretty cool. This is kind of like an organizer for all your books. Do you think we should put the books in like the organizer thingy? Because like book 1, obviously. Book 2. Book 3. Book 4. Book 5. I see where we're going. Book 6. Book 7 and book 8. Oh my god, that is wonderful. That is some wonderful work. I mean, they all can fit in there, so this is perfect. Perfect. Now we have to go back. Okay. Already 9 minutes in the video and we're not even doing anything. So I don't like that. Okay, so we had Chairs, chairs, chairs. Give me those chairs. Yes, 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 yes. Hang up something? I don't know. Lovely. It looks beautiful, but I can't. I don't know. Bruh. Table, obviously. Give me that table. I'm just kidding. I don't know what table to put. Why? Why? I'm still thinking. What about this? Now, too old-fashioned. My voice is giving up on me. Why? Why does it hate me so much? I'm done. Wait. No. Wait. We could, give me the sugar. And then I forgot what else. Blueberries? I mean, that won't work, would it? It's a cake! It's a freaking cake. Didn't know that could work. Chocolate with cake? Would that work? I don't even know. Wait. Let me get a... Yes, a tray. Let me get a tray and put, all of this stuff on it. And a cup of tea. Why would be a machine here? Don't ask. Not adding to the cup. But I do need trays. I don't even know why I'm making food for this. No idea. Don't ask. We always never ask. Hearts and swirls. Oh yes, this is lovely. This is a lovely eating area. Can we actually put it somewhere? I mean, let's try. I mean, I hope that we're not pressing one of the buttons if we do that. Wait, let me, oh my god, this coffee table. Does that even fit? Does this even, okay, this is great. This is perfect. This is beauty. This is awesome. Woohoo! Woohoo, we're working it. Yay! So far, so well. So we obviously need rugs because why not? Because it's gonna look disgusting if we don't put any rugs in here. Part 3? I'm so sorry. Part 3, yeah, part 3. Bye. Subscribe, please.